Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Handling Errors Related to sys.argv in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. When working with Python scripts that accept command line arguments, it's crucial to handle errors related to sys.argv gracefully. This tutorial will guide you through the process of handling errors effectively, ensuring your script remains robust and user-friendly. Step 1. Import the sys module. Start by importing the sys module, which provides access to variables used or maintained by the Python interpreter, including sys.argv. Step 2. Check the number of command line arguments. Before accessing specific elements of sys.argv, it's essential to check the number of command line arguments passed to the script. In this example, we check if the number of arguments is less than 2, excluding the script name. If so, we print a usage message and exit the script with a status code of 1. Step 3. Access command line arguments safely. Once you've verified that there are enough arguments, you can safely access sys.argv elements. Keep in mind that sys.argv0 is the script name, and the actual arguments start from index 1. In this example, we use a try except block to handle potential errors when converting the command line arguments to the desired types, int and float in this case. If an error occurs, we print an informative message and exit the script with a status code of 1. Step 4. Putting it all together. Here's a complete example that combines the steps mentioned above.